Welcome to this video. In the next 2 minutes, I'll share full information about the Clinic Hub from HearPlugs, a reliable resource designed to connect people with trusted health services and expert advice. The Clinic Hub was developed by HearPlugs to make it easier for individuals to find clinics, treatments, and wellness information in one simple place. Instead of browsing through scattered sources, the Clinic Hub organizes everything into a clear, user-friendly platform. Here's how it works. Start by visiting the HearPlugs website. On the homepage, you'll see a menu where one of the main sections is labeled Clinic Hub. Click on that and you'll be directed to the main directory. Inside the Clinic Hub, you'll find a variety of resources. There are listings of clinics, service providers, and detailed explanations about treatments. Whether you're looking for preventive care, specialized support, or expert advice on hearing and wellness, it's all presented in one accessible location. What makes the Clinic Hub especially helpful is how straightforward it is. Each listing provides essential information like clinic names, services offered, and how to get in touch. That way, you can move from searching to scheduling an appointment quickly and confidently. Another key feature is regular updates. HearPlugs ensures that the Clinic Hub always contains the most accurate and up-to-date information. That means you can rely on it not just once, but every time you need to find trusted health services. To recap, all you need to do is visit the HearPlugs website, click on Clinic Hub, and begin exploring. From finding clinics to accessing useful resources, it's designed to make healthcare navigation simple. That's the full information about the Clinic Hub from HearPlugs, your one-stop solution for trusted health and wellness connections.